what's going on. We got her together. I'm going to clean this up here, and I'm just going to do a sweep up top or whatever of my deck. Let's try this out. We are in number 2. Let's try number 1. We'll do a pass and number 1. So we got number 1 on the switch there. I'm going to send this over that way, off to the left. That's number 1. Let's try number 2. It is a heavy unit, but if you just slide it back and forth, it's not that heavy because you're just sliding it. So let's get the rest here. Disintegrates the snow pretty good, but it is a fluffy snow. It's not real heavy. Sends it off into the abyss. Clean up this section here and see how far she throws it. Works decent. I'm gonna go over here and put it into this pile. Now you're not really supposed to use this in gravel or in an area where you're gonna pick up a lot of like debris and stuff that could clog up the auger. But we're just gonna try this here. Works pretty decent. Yeah. Let's try this here. Works pretty good. Got the majority of it. I didn't want it right on the ground because I didn't want to pick up any twigs or anything. Live in a wooded area. So let's see what it does to the back deck. This was already cleaned. There's a bit of hard stuff here, but good majority of it's all already cleaned up. Does pretty good, gets right down to pretty much the deck. You can, if you find the unit's heavy, you can just drag it backwards. just a little bit. Yeah, this thing works pretty good, cleans it down real nice. So far, happy with the purchase. I mean, I've only used it once, so we'll see what a few months from now brings and how she holds up. I'll do a review later on. But there was some ice kind of built up on the deck, some hard pack. It scraped through that decently and blew her away. All right, that's the Ego cordless snow shovel. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.